Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create a video carousel and add it to a Simvoly website. Let's get started. The video carousel is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the video carousel editor. In the editor, you can edit the video content and add your videos. You can select a layout and customize the video carousel look and feel, and change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the video carousel to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code and close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now let's head to the Simvoly site editor. In the Simvoly editor, click on the Add Widget button. Find the code widget. Drag and place it wherever you wish on your website. In the source code window that opens, simply add the widget code that you copied before. Click anywhere outside of the source code window to close it. The widget's content will show on the preview or the published site. Click the Save button to apply the changes. And that's it. Now, the video carousel will show on your website.